Hi guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's episode, we'll be doing a reaction on COLAZ SMITH TV and what is going on with him and some of his crew member. So I've been watching a video. I watch COLAZ and I watch Grongad. Grongad is a nice lady, very nice individual. I like her, very nice individual. So there has been some issue between Grongad situation and COLAZ, and COLAZ chose to bring it on the internet. Now I don't know why COLAZ would choose to bring it on the internet, because if the accusation or whatever he's saying is true, why wouldn't he go to Grongad and sit down and talk to Grongad about the situation where somebody tell him? Because mind you, this is all hearsay that COLAZ is hearing. So why you wouldn't go sit down with Grongad and ask Grongad what's going on and find out if she's happy and them kind of thing there? Because at the end of the day, we're all adults and we are all responsible for our own lives. So not because you're hosting a YouTube channel and you're the lead, you're that channel lead, it doesn't mean that you have the right to interfere in your team members' personal life, because their personal lives shouldn't have nothing to do with whatever is going on in the team. So guys, I'm gonna let you have a look, a listen I should say, at some of what Grongad is saying, and then I'll come and ever so often give you my piece. Let's listen, guys.
And lies were spread for my name. I try to tarnish my little thing I never go on, and we'll come to clarify it and speak the truth and be transparent. So we're gonna make Anika talk and talk how it goes. So here it is, people. You have look at Tarzan here with me. Tarzan. Alright, boss. You're good? Yeah. Eat already? Yeah. Alright.
The people COLAZ come out to a video attack say, oh Nick, you put this little boy in a rain, you should be out in a rain. If somebody go to COLAZ, go tell him that say Nick put Tarzan in a rain, why he can't go for prove, if he come prove to me and talk who will tell him. Here is a can't go court, you know, so me have a panic prove, see him in COLAZ where his person says when Nick put you out in a rain. Because I can't get to understand. If you understand this, I don't know what it's all about, and the COLAZ cast this big mix up and embarrassment upon face upon YouTube and think it sound good and look good. COLAZ need to stop and take it down, because some subscriber call me and tell me say no sound good.
So guys, you heard what Grongad said. Grongad said somebody tell COLAZ say our baby father, the person that she's pregnant for now, put out our little baby now that she have. What's his name? I forgot his name. Put out the baby in the rain while the rain was falling. And Grongada say, but if that take place, why you can't tell me who tell you so we can have a conversation about this off the air, because it not look good. And a lot of people are coming to her and telling her that it not look good. And it really not look good for you, because something as personal as this happen, why would you want to take it to the internet unless you want to sway public opinion in your direction? Because I would be thinking that the best thing to do, go to Grongad and talk about this in private, because at the end of the day, she's a grown adult.
And you know, look good. COLAZ did talk already, you know. You come and talk from before St. Vincent and one week, a month back, COLAZ talk saying this area say must say anything where you see COLAZ go to then attack and something where you see with the eye and ear with your ears. Because when they are prison, I easier for use. So that same thing you have to use when you're out here. COLAZ never see nothing appear here say. Appear here say and I run with people near me. Nick never lick me yet. So me can put me head pan a black for that. I account to COLAZ have a problem with and you understand say if first channel did mash up a boy the thief my phone and wipe my phone and me go out pan the people them and tell the people them and me down pan COLAZ and say COLAZ can't get back my channel. He say he have one link with YouTube I can Google no me away pan that I know me can't get it.
So people, wanna hear what Ground God say. COLAZ have a problem and not just now COLAZ have a problem and it's like the issue start when because she and Nick decide say them are going a little thing. And because she and Nick come together and have their channel together, it's like that a cause a issue. You understand me here? Ground God say our channel, the other channel she did have, she didn't have access to it anymore, and she was on to COLAZ for him to help her to get it sorted. And she said, "I'll know help her to get it sorted." And no, she get it sorted with this guy now, and it's like all of them something there a cause a issue. But anyway, make you go and listen what Ground God have to say.
So if me never did make over back one channel, me would have this channel. So COLAZ not free come contact say attack Nick attack to my account. Because I not start get from YouTube yet him show this man and I say look on this. If somebody attack the account and opinion wait pan so money come straight to the account see me because I like opinion wait pan. This man me and COLAZ don't have anything. So all you see for this man in text me. I tell me say good morning. Good morning, COLAZ. Me I go start painting today. When me I do. I reach up on the hill. COLAZ go see me on the hill, sit down up a J-board on the veranda and up there and come to me. And I say COLAZ, look right with that video. I check it on because it sound good. And when you put up, you done class, you done say so sitting on YouTube already. And he must say, wait till the question down there, me talk,
So people, hear what Ground God just say. Ground God just say even though COLAZ go and attack all of them something up on the internet, him still attack to her, and she tell him if he take down them something because them something not sound good. And he must say wait until it die down liquor. So is it because COLAZ know say drama and especially negative drama draw people to the channel so that you can get obviously that's gonna turn into views and then that is gonna turn into revenues. So is that why I'ma tell Ground God say hold on until it cool down and soon take it off? Why would you put up something personal so on the internet and the person ask you to remove it and you're still part of the same team and everything, but you make it look like say you have beef or guan when you still attack same. Like me never expect COLAZ to behave in that kind of way. No, I expected more from COLAZ. I expect, Ground God a big man. Ground God free to do whatever she want to do. Like, she no need to ask nobody's opinion. Like, whoever she want to do her channel with, you can't tell the woman who figure who do it and who not for do. And at the end of the day, even if you're not happy about it, it done gone already because she done pregnant female already and them I go do them life and live them thing and do them what they want to do. So you have to just accept it and know say that's it. And there's nothing you can do without about it. So anyway guys, we're gonna continue to listen with Ground God have to say because obviously she will explain it more. So who interested we understand. Alright guys, let's keep listening to what she's saying.
And then he did the attack to LIAD because my mouth seal and him had experience of sitting and him say since as we put out the big and boil say can't thief, he sent thief a lot from him and him try to fix him. I do a video out of seaside and man come out there to chop him up to can't thief man money. And him have to take your time, pack it and give back him man and talk to Kanta again and say, Kanta, if you don't stop this thing, people are going to kill you and you are going to end up in prison. So when colors are talking, if we talk about them there too and tap come out and talk one set of sitting. And then him talk about say, boy, you know, disrespect me. So what you do if you go out with my name and no nickname, you go out with alone. You start to talk from when me live on the hill and so while he pass sitting and me usually beg you, I'll leave this man, me tell him, say, look here, Rene, usually sending that to you come beg. Till him I say, okay, and I fix when me I tell him something. So sometimes I hear it say, him I use pound no run with everything. Like when Rosa that say on praise colors like him a God.
So people, you heard the point that Ground God just made just now. She said people look up to colors as if to say him a God, like whatever he says stands, and no matter what nobody else says. That are the thing with the internet, you know. You see, once you have a big following, people tend to sway to your side of the story. So whatever you say is like them take it for gospel, because Grongada say other things are happening in a team when man come and where team members finger fearing and him a fear sort them out all the time, and things like those he's not talking about, but him done in our personal life with she and our man who she deal with. Colors not to do that, man, because Colors a big man and them kind of something there, you know. You have to understand, so when you open a can of worm, you know, and not just you, and not just a person where you think it go affect, you know, it's like it go come all the way down to you, because even in one of the videos, them a talk about say like what Colors him a do, like take care of Colors personal thing in it too. But if Colors never carry to the internet, none of this wanna reach where the people. Anyway, make we continue listen what Ground God say.
And no behind scene where Colors are doing and say, you go pretty up things when it come on YouTube for people believe him and for no blush at people and disrespect them. When you can't listen one side of story is a three-sided story. When Colors see mad this up people and I said nobody now say none go to me never this Colors, so me and Colors don't have anything. Me and Colors don't have anything. I yesterday morning in drive come here and me think Colors I go when he want video me son naked in a pampers and me slam a car door. He like have car come pa veranda because come like a argument or war in the compound. Because devil send him come yesterday morning Pawi. Because if you say me and him have not now you come for an argument with me, I devil send him come. No, me no fit come out contact. I just Colors you not go listen where Colors are saying this and that and re. Even this man he have part of a video where where man will mash it and chop him up in a and he still have phone. And I say Colors me no on the phone for me, but you can't tell me what to do. You can't tell me what to do. And I know say and a video we I do. I take this youth from down or tired and I say come you know sound good. Come and this man in and mash it to jar so much something where they want to say. And me I tell him say, you know, sound good and you know look good either people assist so too. And when people are talking, you know, want to hear the truth, everything when I listen Colors and I feel listen 2 and 3 side that story before no come out. Because Colors, if me did away from Colors we done that also, I know me that still me that out that door. So me don't want him Colors I go like say me did disrespect him or not like that. Me never disrespect Colors. So him can't say me did disrespect him. I'm not give Nick right for this because I see me and I tell him say if it done and it not sound good because 2 rank can make one alright.
Yeah, people, so on that case I want to come and make a man came and him provoke me to write to it. Long before the camera ever come on and start recording, him come and him attack him things. And when the conversation get heated because him hell-bent pan what him here. Him not business about the truth. And it is evident. You can see it in the camera. All the things that me I said to him not business about the truth. Him just want to tarnish me. That I'm him. You understand? So me I come right now and I gotta apologize to all of the LIAD subscribers them, all of the elderly subscribers them with love we and watch every day. I am sorry for that behavior. I am sorry for that behavior. And I apologize to COLAZ mother for telling about his mother. That was wrong. I should have never done that. I am sorry. Now, on the other hand, on the ear she talk for herself, on the see Tarzan in a numerous video with me. You understand? Me and Tarzan, alright, my G. Me and Tarzan are G. Right? You even set you treat Tarzan like your own son. Regular me see subscribers say that. Here we that keep a relationship private, that is our right. We have the right to do that. You understand? We choose to do that because of this whole controversy we are seeing now. You understand? COLAZ did hate that from the beginning. He never want me and Anika to attack. You understand? So he hate that from the beginning. All of this you see go on is not today, it's not yesterday, it's not this month, and it's not last month, it is before that. Now, him say some things in a video.
So guys, you hear where Grongad baby father say COLAZ was against the relationship from day one. How can you be against two consenting adults who decide now to be in a relationship? Whether you like it, yes or no, you as a big man, you have your own family to deal with. Why you wouldn't have a problem if this man and Grongad in a something? Yes, Grongad is a lovable character and people love Grongad because Grongad genuine and people are drawn to her. Is it a case where COLAZ feels say, no, that's Grongad is with this guy, she go kind of draw away from him channel, and then maybe for them channel I go blow up? Could that be why COLAZ is against that? Because I don't understand why would a grown man, you're not, why would a grown man, not even your mama, your dad, when you're at a certain age, they can't tell you what to do with your life or how to live with your life. So why you don't think, say, Grungy, you can tell Grungy what to do? Why may I tell you sometime, yeah, see? Anyway, guys, let's keep on listening.
When I contradict himself, him claim to say, some him subscriber, sorry, excuse me, him team members them, whenever them reach to a certain level, him encourage them to go branch off and start them own a team. And you understand? Him said that out time on a mouth. 104,000 views the video get already. So all I want to see it, right? Now, if that was the case, what is your issue now? Say allegedly Grongad decides say she want to start the video with me. That is what him saying encouraging. You know? You understand? Him saying encouraging team member them to branch off, help other YouTubers, which is exactly what is going on now. You understand? So how him have such a big issue with it? I guess him don't mean every YouTuber or anybody is under a specific certain amount of people him team member them can help. You understand what I say? That is where him contradict himself. Him say it out time own amount. You understand what I say? No, Grongad help me and me help Grongad for build. You understand? We are having a child together and we are building a unity. We are trying to unify our thing for build. COLAZ SMITH TV do not want that. Him do not like that. Him claim say, me I take Grongad money. First and foremost, how that even come about? Right? I don't know anything about YouTube. Them help me set up my channel. When I set them, I mean Papi. Even COLAZ himself. Because when the pin come, right this up on the veranda, I ask COLAZ, you can help me set up this, and him do it. right? COLAZ himself set up my pin for me. Put it in my bank account and everything so we can start get paid. Now this pin thing, when you sign up, when you monetize, you sign up, you have to pay your pin. YouTube themselves tell you it can take months. It can take so long till you have to sign up for a new one. Me know YouTubers in this community will end up with 2 pin, even though the next one invalid because the next one come. But that's how long you wait for until you have to request another one. You understand? So we've been trying with GrunGod page all long. Papi help we. Me try it. Everybody try if you put it in the AdSense part me I talk about. Who understand about YouTube are gonna know me I talk about. We reached the AdSense part of it. We could not get it to go through for whatever reason because she have a previous channel with almost the same name and almost the same email. You understand? So when we try to put in the AdSense, it starts to say you already have an AdSense account established, whatever. Long story short, we try to delete it. We try every possible way to go around that part. It couldn't happen. Now, we bring the issue back to Papi because Papi was the original man who helped Mosawi Boya set up a channel. Even though Papi is a part of the mix-up because me I tell the truth, Papi himself and some of the team members them carry bad news to COLAZ and spread wrong misinformation about stuff for whatever reason, for they in a good COLAZ favor. I don't know why them do it. You understand? Because it's just ridiculous. So now man, brother, I don't know why they do so much things. Now, it come back to Papi now. I say, boy, this a go on. We cannot monetize the channel for we don't know what else we do. Now we get to understand, say, certain things cannot be done on the phone, you need a laptop. You understand? You either need a desktop or a laptop to put through certain things as like the AdSense account. So Papi give you an idea because this idea is what COLAZ them do. Right? Instead of wait on the pin and wait for the months and months and months, or have to send in to get a new pin, instead of doing that, when you have an AdSense account set up, which me already have an AdSense account because me did go ahead and monetize my channel a few months before. Now, GrunGod new channel rose to popularity so fast because everybody love GrunGod. You understand? And that is where this controversy is coming from also. People love GrunGod. COLAZ want to keep that panda circle.
So guys, you see what I was saying previously? It's like probably COLAZ feel like all of the attention go up on GrunGod now, so you want to keep her in a for him like a circle because people take on to GrunGod. People like GrunGod character, people love GrunGod, people love Sitars and have GrunGod video that GrunGod like a baby where she have now. So same thing me that say probably COLAZ think say all of that views or whatever you might get through GrunGod, it a go divert and go to for them for GrunGod and our man channel now, so that a cause a little friction. But that shouldn't make that cause no friction, man, because enough the pie is big enough for everybody have a slice of pie. So make we continue and hear where the baby father to be I say.
Whatever reason feel like she owe him, that is what him I do. Now, Papi, going back to the story, Papi did tell me, say, listen, there's another way around this thing. And I say, so you not tell me that long time. And I say, alright, you can link your account to your AdSense and it will become monetized and the payment will start coming to my account. Now, Jamaica people funny, everybody funny when it comes to money. At first, I hesitate, I said, I really want that because I want her to have her own money, her own thing and do her own thing. You understand? I do want that fair. But because it takes so long and because of so much attempt of doing this thing, I say, you know what? She look at me and say, yeah man, do it. And I say, are you sure? She go on my phone call. When she come back, we can say it in front of her and do all that if we want, all that infinite proof, right? So, I say, are you sure? Him say yes. She say yes, I mean. So that's what happened, right? Now, Papi himself never do it, you know, because at this point, they end up leave the island, right? They end up leave and fly out. So now we're going to another popular YouTuber, which is Kriya, spearfishing, right? Kriya in the business long time, long before even COLAZ. You understand? Kriya a big YouTuber long time, over 6 million views. He have a video where have 6 million point ad views. So this man is up there with COLAZ, right? COLAZ maybe I get more views than him, but a long time Kriya did him thing. So I go to Kriya and I say, Kriya, this is the situation. I have a laptop, I pay a phone where I try to put this thing through, and him say, Ray, him can deal with it. And so said so done. Kriya was the one who attached the account to the AdSense for me, so GroundGod can start get payment. Now COLAZ say me I take her money and she don't know she's getting paid, which is ridiculous. Because every YouTuber who is doing YouTube knows that when you go in your studio, you can see it on the dashboard, you can see it on the analysts, you can see it in our revenue, you can see YouTube is not hiding anything from the creators. You can see everything. They might have changed it up a little bit. It used to show you the date and time when the payout make. Now them put it somewhere different, you still can find it. You understand? Every creator know what me I talk about. Everybody who in the field of YouTube content creating know exactly what me I talk about. So, GroundGod have our own channel. GroundGod have our own account. GroundGod have everything. The only thing is that our money is coming through my account so she can get it. Right? She have a child on the way. We have a child on the way. What is wrong if our money come to... First and foremost, let me tell you this. When me tell you say the idea come from COLAZ, right? Remember, me just said that previously. The reason why the idea come from COLAZ is because that's how... And this is not dirt. Me not dash no dirt on him. Me not trace. Me not none of them something there. This is just me being transparent, right? This is just me speaking the facts. Now, when we say the idea come from COLAZ, because that is how Theme account set up with his wife, with Horace, which is Climber, and JC as well. And numerous other accounts.
So guys, you hear where GroundGod baby father say, COLAZ, the way how COLAZ set up Theme thing, all of the channel them were him response for Theme channel, in wife channel, the family channel, one other guy channel. It's like all of those COLAZ set it up so that the payment come to his account. So if COLAZ do that, why him have an issue if the father of the child does that? Because that guy and GroundGod now becomes a family unit. So why COLAZ don't feel away and answer the guy a rob GroundGod? Him take GroundGod for idiot then, and GroundGod are not idiot. So if him cannot think say the guy a rob GroundGod because he link the payment to his account, which the guy explain and which GroundGod agree to. So whatever the outcome, a GroundGod and our man are going to respond if the attack claps for come. COLAZ no need to worry about that, because just like how him do other people think, these people are unit and them do something together. So why would I have something against that? Why would you think that the person steal from GroundGod? Is that what you would do to the people that you have that have attached their accounts to you? You see, as me always say, the pie big enough for everybody. Every one of us can strive. Every one of us want a place on YouTube or whatever the social platform is. So me not see the reason why COLAZ fear make such a big deal unless in things say him a go lose out by GroundGod teaming up with Fear Team now, and because GroundGod have a big following, it's like it must be scared to our channel like grow and grow and grow and grow. But that's the whole thing. As the guy say, him encouraging team members them to branch out and do them own thing. So how now that GroundGod do it, him make a big deal out of it. So it's like because him don't want the two of them together, him come up with all these allegations according to ground God, because ground God say I hear colors here, everything, colors nothing nothing at all within eyes. You understand me? And again, you're not our dad. Like, you're not her dad, so how come you feel like you can tell her, like, you can't control another human being life and tell them if you do in general. You can't do them thing there. You understand me? She can still be a part of your team same way, but she still have her own thing a go on with said speed. So why would that be a big issue? You understand me? You do the house for ground God and you say the man can come up there, and what you want ground God to be a single mother? It's like you promote people for single parents, because if what you say is like you don't want ground God there with that the guy there, but it done gone bad already because she pregnant and everything. So what you talk say? Look how the hill steep and the girl pregnant. How she fi go up and down the hill every minute to not do nothing? She can't do that, man. Worse when rain fall, no have no proper road fi go up there, no have no proper tile it, nor nothing like that. I mean, I don't know. Sometimes when people on this YouTube and them start out so humble, but it's like the more they gain, it's like them character change slightly and they don't even know that their character has changed. But people who are watching, the viewers must know. You must know when you start out when a person is humble and nice and rare, and then all of a sudden it's a person that mix up in all type of things, and then start it out though. Take it off our internet because look good what go on. So anyway, I'm gonna make you finish listen to what ground God and them I say about them situation. And I hope COLAZ as a big man and as the call it so him at the starter for whatever I think him my team leader I should say. Him not to deal with certain personal things on the internet. I think that them there's something for come on the internet, because when you bring them something on the internet, it's like you want to sway people's opinion. Anyway guys, remember to like, share and subscribe, and I'm gonna let you listen to the rest of the video as to what ground God is saying. Okay? Peace.
The interview channel and all them something there. All of those channel is linked to COLAZ Smith AdSense account. So that is why him feel like say me abuse Grongy and I take her money and she do not know. Because me not say that him I do to them. Because obviously them well off and nobody not complain and them living comfortably. I'm not saying him a rob him wife and she don't know much money on him. Me not say that about him. Me I say that is the quickest way to monetize your channel without waiting for the pin. The waiting period for the pin is a very long period. Everybody will try YouTube or will do YouTube can tell you that. All of the young creators them will just start. Oliver where I call up my name, I don't even want to give him the highlight, but all of them can tell you. When you wait for your pin, if you not have somebody to do what me do for Grongy, you will not get your pin until Google send that pin to you.
People, this me wait for my COLAZ not come with the proof. I prove me wait for because somebody tell him say Nick put 2,000 in a real someone thing come with the proof. I want this thing fit up the kind of sound good for YouTube and the whole mix up thing and then something there because the all boat and you see that vlogger me I see new vlogger run with the already. Because people like mix up, so them are going to go up and you see how much views COLAZ get, feel like mix up with my name and stuff like that. And them people, they love and want to see. Someone need this thing to stop and COLAZ cannot come with the proof. Me I wait for.
So what me I say is, just like how him could have come record me and do what him do, what him should do is either tell the people and we tell him say as I go, but this is because I mix up and rumor and controversy that now him cannot come with the proof, he cannot go and record the person and say tell me what you're saying do, just like how him come and do. Him can't do that because it's lies, pure lies. We never beat Tarzan. First of all, scolding or correcting a child is not abuse. You understand what I say? Excuse me. If you correct a child, this is a boy, you're a boy, right? Yeah, anyways, long story short, if you scold a child or if you correct a child from doing something wrong is not abuse. The Bible will tell you cannot spoil the rod and you finish it, you don't know what it goes. You understand what I say? So the point is,
save the child.
right. So me, if at that somebody I run with and say me I abuse Tarzan because my time if you stop get down off a dear man you fall, or I don't know why them would have got tell COLAZ say me put out the little baby in the rain. That is ridiculous. That is more than wickedness. A prison work that. And that him a try to tarnish me or send me to a prison or something. You understand? So if you correct little baby Tarzan, them no want to see me do that, then they don't know how nothing about kids. You understand? So I don't understand what him want or what him a try to gain. Maybe him gain it already. Maybe he never want me in the YouTube world. Maybe he never want me and God for attack. I don't know what it is problem. You need to deal with it and deal with it internally and go seek help. You need therapy. You need help. Obviously. This may be a cry for help from him. Because I don't see why somebody making so much frequent flying, helping all of these people all over the globe and doing all these good stuff. I got find time to come start this big mix-up and controversy. I don't see where in his schedule him fit in this. But he did. You understand what I'm saying?
That's an absence. If they treat him, you don't want to go to him and anyway, because he have a sense of no say sensible. And he can repeat anything. So if he did treat him and beat him, Tarzan is afraid of him, you do if you want to go to him.
Right.
I don't know how you go with kids already. From kids that get ill-treated by person, people afraid of those people.
Right. So if there's even time when me I leave, I go up on the road and Tarzan a bad. No, leave. If me not beat Tarzan and I ill-treat him, Tarzan would want that like we got just a while ago. You understand what I say? So people who open their eyes.
Don't stop listen one side of story and this thing say stop because all the people are saying no sound good and stuff like
First
that.
of all,
it sound good because the on social media it don't sound good and lookable.
Right. I don't see how him find time to put this on social media for what? I saw you love mix up, you can never start a pink wall page. You understand what I say? Like, don't do YouTube cooking content and them something there and then you be a mix up. Not too long ago was another mix up with another team member. No Kanta, no Gongi, no me. Like, brother, how much people you have a problem with? Like, you need help, brother. Go sort out yourself, fix up your thing. We are going to pray for you. You understand? Because I just say it reach you now. You understand? Because we don't want it to reach any further than where it is. We don't want it to become physical. And we certainly don't want that. You understand what I say? So, we just go, this is my side of the story. This is me coming, telling you guys that all of that accusation is false. God is here herself, telling you the same thing. Tarzan there himself. Alright, Papa. It is false. Not no gossip. You understand, people? So, please, just make a drop this, squash these things, Mr. COLAZ. Make a squash this thing. Take down the video because there's
But Tarzan click here?
No.
Okay.
No,
Yes, on tag 20 done.
You understand, people? So, I just say it there. You
But tell the
understand?
people them money click here?
no.
Yeah, video. Tarzan a YouTube star himself. See it in gone back at the camera, gone look at everything alright. People, we just speak sense out of
On
nonsense.
top, listen, Iris, because COLAZ don't live here, I just Iris and
Yeah, COLAZ live at Portmore.
You just Iris
Send
and
catching.
take on a run with the go and carry false obligation about people. Nobody know, just Iris say. Every minute you go somewhere, me ear said this, me ear said that. I pay Iris say he can come straight and go for personal way, tell him and prove in front of me. Pay Iris say all the while. Pay ear. Me hear this. Somebody tell me say, if you show your COLAZ mix up all down to my family, them in go to with my name. And my own family then tell me back and you know you can't go to people family with their name. Them they are mixed up, you're a man. And a vagina you're born with a penis. You're not supposed to be mix up so and around with things when people tell you have proof for yourself and your ears you have to use. You can't follow ears say. When people say, Grandma just pass it on bucket, all when you know go so you believe.
And people, this is not we disrespecting him. This is just the thousand where the people not gonna hear. This is just the fact. This is the truth. You understand? We not diss him when she say him to stop the mix up because he never born a vagina. And just the truth, brother. We are Jamaicans. Man a Jamaican no mix up so brother. We not do that something that woman think that. Man no gross up. Nobody can come tell me say you see Gunga and say no man. You know why I hear that? Let me see it for myself. You understand what I say? People are come, Tarzan do this, Gunga do that. Man not supposed to take in them information there and run with it and go like say I feed them business. I don't know how him find time to fit those stuff in his schedule because from what we can see on the internet he's such a busy person. Allegedly. So I not see how him fit in all them mix up here in his schedule. Something bite there so. Hush, let me see it. Hush.
Yeah, so all of them mix up here need face tap. We kind of sound good. Because COLAZ a big man, we have 2 kids, 2 daughters, we have 2 sons, and I go have 3. This one I go make 3. So you can grow up, come make kids come see how you operate and learn after your mistake and learn with where you going. Make them grow up and come live different and teach them. The same style where you have, I same style the kids them are go grow with. Yeah, tell people say talk good at the same time, this them up in this tent way.
Right. Because you even not do so much as helping St. Elizabeth, St. Vincent, but 3 drop down in a papi mother house and not even a sheet of zinc. And them little thing there, brother, you not find time for that. You understand? So, me not see make our relationship a big issue. I never ever tell Gungad not to go in one of COLAZ video.
No, but you can't because you know
yes, a big man.
Help me.
And COLAZ help you so much.
Yes, so much. So I never tell me yourself you not going on no video. But the COLAZ know so me pregnant, so me have to stay upon a limit now because upon it ill mostly my do video and that the people who don't go see it on video but don't know how it's steep.
Right.
Because what they want subscriber come and him crawl panini if he reach up there.
Even I see him video where COLAZ put the one hand man. Listen to the video where COLAZ say. COLAZ say me want go over the house but me tired. The hill too steep. That is the hill where the house for ground.
Yeah, the pan. If rain fall me can't go up there because it's muddy. If me live up there and if you come down, me I go in a problem because me I go slide. And you see him when I go say, Grandma, you can't manage up there so. Most of no see so.
Right, if she forgot up there and slide and drop on something, they're not going to say she careless because she knows that
he'll... Because you know say he'll steep and me still go up there.
Right. So
and he remarks me, because I say something about from the house I do me not show up in a most of video them. I lie my tell.
You said none?
None of them.
You say you none of them?
Lie, you check in for enough of them and see if you don't see me in a video them. We last video when COLAZ got St. Vincent made up there. The stars are not there, and him, and him, we cook a dumpling and brown stew chicken that day. So if me not show up there last time when him a go, me never up there.
In our video.
In our video. So me not like him then something then just talk some bad things and then when me tell him say ma disrespect me this morning him a come go like say nothing like that. He might go make it look like say not like that, like I lie me I tell Panny.
So people, there it is, yeah man, alright man. This is just the raw truth. We don't hide nothing. We not edit. We just record this to put out because it have to go out. And This is our defense.
Have nothing.
So
if you ask him, you and him have something, and him has
himself say and him not nothing.
Me and him have nothing.
And him,
because this man him up on the hill and him talk to me so good, and I say, Grandpa, the also go paint and me and your feet, yeah, come up there. What me say, me I go rest my brain because this thing big where they on YouTube already, and all my family then call me already.
People from overseas call me, my family from overseas,
and stuff
all
like
kind
that.
of stuff.
So me I get whole heap of phone call to either and whole heap of subscribers saying no sound good. And
first of all,
good for you,
me
two side.
Me even start to get death threat. This is very serious, people. No joke.
Oh, me feel I got about that. There was a subscriber called Sachs from overseas and tell him say, oh, my fly down to Jamaica if you come kill me. So me I wait for him. Me even say that they took all of this man I got about say him I lie because don't go him alone for here say. One way for Sachs I tell lie. Phone me say phone the past speaker and you man say I fly to Jamaica and that's a big threat.
Subscribers text message say better me make sure you always have one bulletproof. All heap of things are going, people. So this is why this video is so important.
Right. Because one more can talk on one side of story. Because we don't go and listen to COLAZ side, we don't have to listen this side and other side. A 3-part to a story.
His side, her side, and the truth. That me always hear.
Yeah.
So that is it, people. Them fans, you know COLAZ fans come like at the beehive. You know Beyonce and her hive. You can't say nothing bad about Beyonce. I saw COLAZ beehive are going right now. Them start to send with death threat. Cause when she talked about at the first me hear it, she never tell me till now because that was this morning. The threat that me receive are from last night. You understand? More than one. So at this it reach people, if you see we out the road and approach with no foolishness, just believe that we are well prepared. So make sure you're prepared too. This is not a threat back. This is a well, anything you want to call it. Just leave we alone. Where COLAZ says not true. Tarzan there here so, Gunga there here so. I never put my hand on her. I mean never ill-treat Tarzan, abuse him, put him out in the rain. All that accusation is false. You understand, people? COLAZ went as far and said in team member them can build new team, and now don't gotta help another person. You know a problem with it. He might contradict himself. So people look into all them things there and split justice.
The video, come here, COLAZ, I think this man, me hear Rose attack, I think say only way me doing no more body video unless we sign contract. And we never sign contract, and COLAZ even say that out I own a motor, me hear Rose vibes with it this morning. So true that they not sign me able to go in anybody video me want to go in. Because we never sign contract with that to say our film video alone with Festina.
That is it, man. Peace.
Yeah, and we want it done.